Let's make a fresh herbal tea to begin with. So if I was out picking, I would be plucking them off at this level, just the leaves and the flowers. And as you know, this is hawthorn. Popping it into my little tea maker, my loose herbal tea maker. You can also use a herbal tea sock and an infuser. With fresh herbs, you need to use really twice as much as the dried herb. Here's the dried, we'll make that in a moment, because the water content is enormous. I don't think I've said this yet, but make sure when you collect, you know exactly what you're collecting, you're really sure of yourself. I don't want you to make mistakes. You've got your book by Andrew Chevalier, The Encyclopedia of Herbs, and you know, identification is crucial to make sure, and also collect well away from any kind of pollution. But obviously wild is the best. It's got so many more essential biochemical compounds that we really want, much stronger than organically grown, although organically grown is great. I don't think I can stuff any more in there, so I'm going to pour the boiling water on and let that infuse. If we wanted, we could flavour that now with fresh mint, with anything, and flavour it up, because this doesn't taste of a lot. Some plants taste more than others. Hawthorn leaf and berry is pleasant, but it doesn't taste a great deal. So if you wanted something with more oomph, you could put a bit of lemon juice in, or a bit of mint, fresh mint, but it's already going green, which is nice. That was quite quick, all the chlorophyll coming out. And then with the dried version, the same. I've pre-filled this. So I've got hibiscus and dried marigold petals. Okay, marigold is great antiviral. Hibiscus is great for blood sugar levels. So this is a nice, pretty combination, but it's also good for the immune system. And pour the boiling water on. So hibiscus flowers, marigold flowers, hawthorn leaves. The lighter parts of the plant, which only require boiling water to get the medicinal components out. It goes quite quickly, so you've got a lovely red there and then the green there. So that's a herbal tea.